So, if your morning smoothie leaves you feeling hungry way before lunch, you are in the right place. We're about to talk about one simple ingredient that can change everything, turning that light snack into a real, satisfying meal that actually helps you with your weight loss goals. Does this sound familiar? You whip up this beautiful fruit-packed smoothie, you're feeling all healthy and energized, but then, boom, before you know it, your stomach is growling and you're hunting for a snack. It's a super common problem, and honestly, it can totally derail your best-laid plans.
And look, it's not your fault. Smoothies are great. They're a fantastic way to get a quick hit of vitamins, but most of them are missing that one crucial thing, the key element that gives them real staying power and keeps you feeling full for hours.
And this brings us to what I call the smoothie satisfaction problem. Let's just take a second to break down why this happens. Okay, so here's the deal. A lot of smoothies, especially the ones heavy on fruit, cause this really rapid spike in your blood sugar. You get that great initial burst of energy for sure, but what comes next? The crash. And that crash is what leaves you feeling tired and, you guessed it, hungry all over again. It's a cycle that can make managing your weight feel like an impossible uphill battle. But what if I told you there's a simple, cheap, and unbelievably effective ingredient that just solves this problem? Let's talk about the hero of our story, good old-fashioned oats.
That's right, the same rolled oats you might have in your pantry for porridge. Just adding a scoop of raw oats into your blender literally transforms your smoothie. It gets thicker, it gets creamier, and most importantly, it gets that satisfying substance that feels like a real meal. And the difference here is, it's a total game changer. A standard smoothie might keep you full for an hour, maybe 2 if you're lucky. But an oatmeal smoothie, we're talking 3, sometimes even 4 hours of feeling satisfied and energized. This is how you break that cycle of mid-morning snacking for good. So what's the magic here? What makes oats so special? Well, it all comes down to a powerhouse soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Think of this as the secret weapon inside every single oat.
So how does this one little fiber do so much? Well, first off, beta-glucan actually slows down your digestion. That's what keeps you feeling full. It also helps stabilize your blood sugar so you can say goodbye to those energy crashes. And get this, it even feeds the good bacteria in your gut and can help lower cholesterol. All of that works together to pretty much eliminate that urge to snack.
All right, so you get the why now, right? The science makes sense. Now for the really fun part, the how. Let's move on and see how you can build your own perfect oatmeal smoothie. Honestly, it's so simple. You start with your oats, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of rolled oats for that fiber. Then add a cup of liquid, like an unsweetened milk or just water. For creaminess and natural sweetness, a frozen banana is your best friend. And finally, you throw in your boosts, maybe some protein powder, chia seeds, or a scoop of nut butter for even more staying power. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This combo is backed by real nutritional science. As Dr. Sonali Reuter says, it's that mix of complex carbs from the oats, protein, fiber, and healthy fats that your body needs for that long-lasting energy. It's really the perfect formula. All right, you ready for some inspiration? Let's dive into 3 super delicious and easy recipes that you can literally try tomorrow morning. First up, if you love those cozy, comforting flavors, you have got to try the cinnamon and banana oatmeal smoothie. Think of this one as like a healthy dessert in a glass. So, you've got your 1/2 cup of oats as the base. The peanut butter isn't just for taste. It adds that protein and healthy fat to keep you going. And that little bit of cinnamon and honey, it just gives it that wonderful, satisfying dessert-like flavor. Okay, next up, we've got a total classic that pretty much everyone loves, and it's also vegan, the strawberry oatmeal smoothie. Again, we're starting with our hero ingredient, the rolled oats. The frozen strawberries give you that classic flavor and a nice dose of antioxidants, while the banana brings in natural sweetness and creaminess without any dairy. And that splash of vanilla extract really just pulls all the flavors together. And last but not least, if you're looking for the smoothie that's just, absolutely packed to the brim with nourishing ingredients, then you need to meet the Awesome Greens Oatmeal Smoothie. This one is a total nutritional powerhouse. Look at this list. You've got your oats, of course, but then you're adding protein powder for muscle support, coconut kefir for gut-healthy probiotics, and then almond butter and chia seeds for those healthy fats. This thing is designed to keep you satisfied right up until lunch. So when you see how simple all of this is, you've got to be asking yourself, could this become your new go-to morning routine? Okay, let's boil it all down. What are the big takeaways here? First, oats make your smoothies way more filling, which is huge for weight loss. Second, they give you that sustained energy and help kick cravings to the curb. Third, the 4-step formula is so simple and you can customize it however you want. It's the perfect, fast, nutrient-packed meal for those crazy mornings.
So, I'm going to leave you with this thought. Could something as simple as a scoop of oats really be the missing piece in your weight loss journey? Well, there's only one way to find out. Why not give it a try tomorrow?